Let's make a drawing template. Let's just put it to the normal size. And this is just a simple background. The events. Need a global value for the green value. Blue value. And a red value. Objects. We need a mouse. We need a drawing canvas. And in this case, we'll need a sprite. This is color swaps. Color choice. Suppose. Now this is just a other, just a reference I have, something I just already made it, but in a different scenario. Just want to try to remake it. Oh, no, just keep that. Don't need that, don't need that. So, just gonna take this animation copy and we'll put it over here on the cultures. You can easily scale it down, don't need it to be that big for now. Put it there. That's not so great. So on mouse, click on the object, click, left click, color choice. Just gonna see if I can remember all of that from memory or not. Just need to check something also. Just need to use my phone so I can view the chat for now, because I have only one monitor. Down. Left click on the color choice blank. And we would set the variable of the blue at mouse dots. What is it? Canvas dot Snapchat alpha blue ads. Get the mouse position. Now. Excellent. Both. So we'll set the blue value, and we'll need to do the same for green. Green. Let's debug that so I can see if it works or not. It does not. I'm just going to go and see what I actually did. Get the color on. Yeah, we need a canvas to put it over to, so we can read that instead. So we'll put the drawing canvas. Color copy. So that's to middle. That's the top left. Center. Just say this 180, 150. And then this one, the same 180, 150. Position. Color. So at the start of the layout, the color copy. Check the object of color choice, the effects. And the previous. We don't need this localized now. Debugging. And the same layout. Okay. Cortex. It's just grab this and you can always rework it. Blank. It's a variable of the local text to mouse, and it would be on the color. And this is for dx of 0 to, what is it to check here? Don't check anything, just set the value. Set the value of the x with mouse color. This is the layer it's on. X. And y. That one. Test it again. Do not get anything. This will be the minus the color. This should only apply if it's the origin. This confuses me right now. I just want to see if it goes up left. That's if it works or not. And the same size. It's on the same layer. This one is even above that. This is supposed to be. So we choose the color choice. We need to have copy. Let's see it. Debug. Man, I'm clicking so bad. Oh, it's not working. I've clicked color bigger. Minus the color. Oh, this is wrong. X. Fine. Well, let's accept this command then. It's interesting. Type value. X, level 5, level 5. Just need to test this. Gets the value. And this one. It's fixed, top left, off. This is just redundant because it should be able to click it afterwards. Oh, left click, local X, local Y, set that to X, the color layer, and it's the color copy X, and the Y, and the color. Set blue, do a snapshot at that location. So all these are drawing canvases. It's not gonna work. Now we can apply this here. I need to figure out what the shortcut is for this. Oh. I don't understand why it's not working. Now we can delete that. Start, paste, wait, destroy. Save Snapchat. And destroy this just to see if it works. And take this, Snapchat, save Snapchat. The color choice is gone, the color copy is there. We can see that's the colors. And now it takes the values on the blue and the green. Not so much the red. Type something more. Oh, of course. Red value. So I need to take the snapshot because that's the, yeah, it saves the pixels that you can read. That's why we do that. Just gonna make a group here that says inmates. And this would be color pick. Good. So now we can choose a color. Just park that there for now. Oh, wait, I just want, because we don't want this mouse thingy, so I want to center this. Let's middle that one. Position. This position. Put that one on it. Because I don't want this minus stuff. Colors of the thing. Should still work. Guess not. Yeah, it only takes this low half here. What's that? Should be because we minus that, but this does not take anything. Centered, centered. Do it absolute X. Not entirely sure. We've used that before. See here, I should just put it on there. I understand you can't do that. Let's just put the Mac for now. I will write a comment about fixing it later because I want that fixed. Code is bookmark it. what it actually does. Canvas likes a image of sprite. Able to read pixels on it. Comment and clicking the color. Okay. One. X, Y. And color. Well, pixel. Set as global values. So we want the main drawing canvas, just put it up like this. And then we're gonna make some, let's make some folders here. So and this is scheme objects. That will just be stuff like mouse, etc. Now we just need the mouse. Canvas. Got the canvas. And we need to have a drawing types. Just call it drawing types for now. I'll be like, depends what kind of tool you use for drawing. So let's call it drawing types, probably more clear. Cool. And we'll put in sprite just to indicate drawing tools. Sake of simplicity, let's make it 32 by 32. And this, let's just start with having a square. I don't need to change these so often, so we can just settle with the animations. Square animation, we have more. Just make this work first. So we'll have a group here that's color tools. Add a string to these, I can name what they are. Type. It's a square. Bigger. Finish this later. Subgroup square tool. I understand why it goes on top. When you set it right, it doesn't go below the one you have already set. I'll be so much smarter. Sub events and mouse. Click left, all block, all mouse left is down. Something would happen. Square mode. It's pretty much the same as full. So we can easily copy this, put down here, remove that, remove that. Place all the objects to the canvas itself. We don't need to set the values here. That's a rectangle, fill, rectangle. And this would be red value, green value, and blue value. This I cannot remember in my head. Left, local, X, Y, X, Y. That should be how big it is. Size value. Keep this tool size number as a global one, so we can always set how thick it's going to be and stuff. For now it's just +10. Right now it always choose the square one because we have nothing set. It's always active this one. Let's use the tool picker when we have more. So should paint. Minus, see to set it normal. Normal, otherwise, that's we also need to erase. Red, green, blue. This is fairly new. I made this one, so I can't memorize all of it just yet. So I'm just redoing it all. Just as it's the X. Plus or minus. minus, minus, plus, plus. Minus left, minus top. So it goes from center, out, out. So it forms a square. And now let's change color. We can't really see that yet. We'll make that too. But now it paints. So we got a very simple drawing. Thumbs up. Good job, me. 2. And comment. Blind. This fills a square shaped drawing 2 on the main canvas. Alright, so we need to change this to size. So we can localize it a little bit. And this is opacity. We can always, I'm not going to do anything with that just yet, but I'll comment and bookmark it if we want to play with it around later on. Should have a global setting. So player set the opacity desired. Bookmark it. Okay, so all this, just copy it. And then we put it to the right side. Write this down and we'll send this blend out to, I think it's destination out. Quite sure. Yeah, destination out. So now it should be able to erase also. Just want to paint it all, and that's never good. I know. Okay. What went wrong? It's here. Oh, because we took the, yeah, this one, of course. 0. So we'll be able to see it. Now we can see it. Blue. Oh. Minus, minus, plus, plus. This is paint. This is erase. Click on down. That's the same. minus, plus, plus. That's a different tool set, right? I need this to... Interesting. Oh, this use fill. Minus, minus, plus, plus. Same values, same everything, just not erasing. That works too. We no need to set those. That's better. That's a better option anyway. So actually use the tool it has instead of setting the blend stuff. It will still paint. It's just opacity 0, so we can't see it. Comments. Stuff never working. Wait, I wanted to do opacity. Used. That's the square tool. We can copy that because this, if you have the circle, it's the exact same thing. It's just a different tool. Left. Don't need to have a tool picker at this point. Fill. Outline, ellipse, clear. Right. Come on. Ellipse. Fill. There it was. Tool size divided by 2. Oh, it's not here. It's just a location. Tool size divided by 2 because of the radius, so it's a circle. We define this as a circle, not a radius, so we have to take half the value. Yep. Yeah, that's what yeah. Moving on. This should be a clear ellipse then also. Fill. clear. Anyway, this is fill ellipse. And this will just be on 0, I guess. Turn this off, so we go to the circle tool. So now we should be able to make circular point. Yes, and we can draw. Cannot erase. So it has the value. Set them all to 0. It should just be nothing. Guess this needs to blend mode. Blend. Layer blend. No. Canvas blend. Destination out. No, I want this one. Nope, just turn it black. It's not supposed to do that. Interesting. Whoop. No. What? Sometimes I don't understand any of this. I'll left click. This has nothing to do with the coloring. Blend mode normal. No. Value, under opacity. Right circle, right click, right down. Set info of the location. Drawing, blend mode. Should help. Right spot though. Normal for left, out for right. Place the whole thing. Just want to see if this is 0 there. Nope. Is that drawing? Drawing. Shape creator we're looking for. Should be here. Automatic, top left, tensorize, off. Automatic, top left, off. Color on it. Color off. Like this value, last value should just be the opacity. So left, right. Still draw. Can also color erase now. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's going insane. All right, let's just read this again. Left click, mouse is down, global X just to set that. So we find the position of the X on the canvas. We minus the X to Y because it's top left. It should be required if its origin is in the middle, but apparently it still does that. So still need to figure that out. The opacity here we can always change. We should just do it now, then we don't have to do it later. To opacity. It's 100 there, it's 100 there, 100. Don't want it to be 0. Should just always be the same. Now we back to the square ones. I want to erase them. Cannot do that because we need the blend mode. If we do it that way, normal up here, out here. That's and that's because it needs to be what? 100. Yes. All right, so that would be to opacity. Text. Text. Go down text. Can we add text? Now I just want to see something instead of this just duplicated code. So we should be able to have this and just set this if whatever tool is active instead. So let's make this. That's a square. And this is a ugly circle. New animation. This is screening this to circle. That needs to be 2 by 32. Animation circle, and we'll call this circle. All right. So we have tool size, tool opacity needs to be 100. Tool global value, tool select. This will be a string also. So text. Don't exactly need tool pick. All this would be when we are here. The mouse is above the canvas instead of everything else. Otherwise, we cannot do all this. So let's just make it a bigger here. So when mouse click, object click, drawing tools, then the variable off. Isn't that also a lot to do? We're just setting the same value twice. So click it. And just set a boolean IDs that say if they're active or not active instead. So left click to drawing tools, booleans, boolean active. And it would have a event that says pick by comparison. Can we do this? Drawing tools dot to type. Call up tool type. That's a long. You are just a tool type. Set this itself new. So I do need to set this variable of the tool selected to that drawing tools dot tool type big not equal to global tool type. Tool selected. So left click on a drawing tool and set the tool selected to that. And also that one's active. Pick everybody else. It doesn't have that low global value and everything. So that's false. So debug this. We have these two tools. We have this drawing tool. It's not active. It's also not active. Click this. It's active. This is not active. This is active. Also active. What? Circle square, circle square. This should be so simple. Never get it right. This is just too much work. It's a really, really bad way to do it. It's active, not active. And this is active, this should not be active anymore. So it could just be a symbol else, it should be. That else. Maybe it needs to have each. Now it's active, this should not be active. Still be able to do this. Don't need to do all that. Localize. Just set all these afterwards. Delete the right version, but delete all that. Ellipse, triangle. Need a control here that says just get the right info. System. That. Link. Set the global value to the info, just because it's small neat, I don't really need it. I need this to be debug. Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. So they don't really need to be set active or not active. Don't need the active, because this one just chooses a tool. Can only have one tool at a time. So this would happen if disable variable of tool selected equals simple. And have to do this, so I don't have to set this twice. So we click the left on this circle. Square. That's gonna erase and paint at the same time, but it's not what we want. Just gonna change this to right. Right. Stop on square. This is fill. The value. Normal, so this is paint. Normal, this is paint. Out, this is erase. This is also erase. And this would need another, but the mouse is the mouse is over an object. That's drawing canvas. Otherwise, I'll just well, we need to pull all this one more down. That and this is more again. And let's see here. This is an all block, this is an and block, and matter, this is just check. So if it's over the drawing canvas, left click or hold left down, you'll get the right position. If it's circle activated, and it'll paint a circle. Square activated, fill a rectangle, and we can add these tools if we have more tools. So that's pretty quite simplified. So can't paint anything. Square, circle, erase with the circle. So that works. Good job. All right. So that's the first two simple tools. It's the tools, and then we will have something here for drawing size. Now tool size. Tool size. It should just be tools. Tool types. Tool type. Because they are the tool types. Drawing tool. Should probably rename this to something that makes more sense. Color choice, color copy. This would be just tool type. Do this stuff. Just find it very annoying to have to type in that same thing over and over and over and over. So here we want a slider bar for SLD, slider, I guess, slider, tool, size. Put that in here, very simple for now. It starts at 0, the minimum is 0, that should probably be 1, so this will be 1. Step is 1, so it will increase by 1 every time you slide it up and down. Tip, no tool tip. Color tool is too bigger. Is this just? No, you go into tools. Yeah, that's the problem with this local thing. I don't understand. It does not want it to move. That worked. Color tool settings. So that's all color tool settings. Then tool picker, and we'll have another group in here. Add group. Group, that will be the tool size. So the slider. change. This is the opacity. No, this would be the size in this case. Yeah, variable. And this would be the step 2 value. Blanks up. I'm changing. Got this. Then I can have both. Because this makes it redundant. If it's unchanging, it will set it. Also increase, decrease the pencil size. Other is quite big, so probably don't need that big, but leave it flat, so we don't need this. Tool size. Tool opacity. So tool size. Copy that. No. That. This would be tool opacity. Just clone this one. Rename it to opacity. Be over here. Same deal. Click here, place the object of the tool size to the tool opacity. So now we should be able to say, let's make it blue, a little bigger, but we can also make it less visible. No. Opacity. Tool opacity. How does that work? Oh, changing the tool size, of course we do. It's probably not very smart. Now it's fully black, should be less. Yeah, you can see it there. Let's just make it. Oh, wouldn't exactly say it functioned very well. Sort of does it, but not really. See it in this one. If it's opacity 100, need to go this other way here. It's less opacity. So this would be default 100. So we have to turn it down, and there's a size turn up. So now it would be fully visible, less visible. And also like big shadings with erase. Yeah. Yep. Save that project for now. Alright, so now we have a very basic drawing tool in Construct 3. Of course, we're going to need some changes and do some more about it. I think I'll make this into like small episodes, so this would just be the first one because yeah, I got other stuff I need to do. So I'll end the stream for now, and should be back tomorrow. The next part of what I want to do. I'll be adding more tools, cleaning this up, putting this in another layer, I guess, so it's a little less cluttered. Yeah, that's it for now. Bye.